Ever pondered on the best ways to ensure your little one is clean and healthy? You've arrived at the right spot. Bliss for Life welcomes you today as we delve into the vitally important world of baby hygiene. Maintaining cleanliness and health of your young one is of utmost importance, not just for comfort but also for their overall well-being. In the course of the next moments, we're set to reveal some useful tips and tricks making baby hygiene a hassle-free task. We'll be discussing everything from the basics of bath time to the do's and don'ts of diapering and even the sensitive task of nail care. And of course, those cute baby clothes. We've got some handy laundry tips for you as well. Each segment has been designed to help viewers navigate through these chores effortlessly and with confidence. So strap in as we plunge into the universe of baby hygiene. Bath time is more than just splashing water and fun. It's about keeping your baby fresh and clean. A well-executed bath can do wonders for your little one's hygiene and overall health. And it's not as daunting as it may seem, especially if you stick to some simple guidelines. Firstly, when it comes to choosing a soap and shampoo for your baby, remember to opt for mild fragrance-free options. Babies have delicate skin and strong fragrances or harsh chemicals might cause irritation or dryness. So always choose products specifically formulated for babies. Now let's talk about the water temperature. It should be comfortably warm, around 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 37.8 degrees Celsius to be precise. Too hot or too cold can be uncomfortable or even dangerous for your little one. A good rule of thumb is to test the water on the inside of your wrist. If it feels comfortable to you, it's likely to be comfortable for your baby. When bathing your baby, always support their head and neck. Babies can't hold their heads up on their own, so it's important to keep them secure during bath time. Use one hand to hold their head and the other to gently wash their body. And speaking of washing, make sure you clean all the nooks and crannies. This includes behind the ears, under the chin, and in the creases of the neck and thighs. These areas can often be overlooked but are essential to keep clean to prevent irritation or rashes. Finally, remember that bath time is also a bonding time. It's a chance for you to interact with your baby, to play and to soothe. So make it enjoyable and relaxing for both you and your baby. Sing songs, play with bath toys, and make sure your baby feels safe and loved. Remember, bath time is a bonding time. Make it enjoyable and relaxing for both you and your baby. Diaper changes are a big part of baby care, and it's vital to get it right. From unexpected messes to constant checks, diapering can seem like a never-ending task. But don't fret, with a few tried and tested tips, you'll become an expert in no time. First off, let's talk about the frequency of diaper changes. Newborns especially need frequent changes, roughly every 2 to 3 hours. Yes, it can be a lot, but remember, a clean diaper means a happy, comfortable baby. Now onto diaper rash creams. These are your secret weapon against irritation and discomfort. Opt for a gentle, hypoallergenic cream and apply it at every diaper change to protect your baby's delicate skin. Cleaning the diaper area properly is also crucial. Use fragrance-free baby wipes or a damp cloth for this task. Remember to always wipe from front to back to avoid any risk of infection. Now let's talk about a few don'ts. Steer clear of scented wipes. They may smell lovely, but they often contain harsh chemicals that can irritate your baby's skin. Also, avoid fastening the diaper too tight. A snug fit is good, but there should be some breathing room. Overly tight diapers can lead to discomfort and even diaper rash. Another thing to remember is to always have a backup plan. Keep a pack of diapers, wipes, and a change of clothes in your car or bag. You never know when you'll need them. And trust me, there will be times when you'll be glad you have them handy. Finally, always wash your hands before and after each diaper change. This simple step can prevent the spread of germs and keep both you and your baby healthy. Diapering can be a challenging task, but with the right approach, it becomes a breeze. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to bond with your little one, so embrace these moments and enjoy the journey of parenthood. Those tiny nails can cause scratches, so it's important to keep them in check. Now, if the thought of trimming your baby's nails makes you a bit nervous, you're not alone. But don't worry, with the right tools and a gentle touch, it's easier than you think. Firstly, you'll want to invest in baby-sized nail clippers or an emery board designed specifically for little fingers and toes. These tools are small, easy to control, and have safety features to protect your baby's delicate skin. Regular adult-size clippers can be too sharp and large for a baby's tiny nails, so it's always best to use tools made for babies. Now, when it comes to the trimming process, you'll want to trim the nails straight across. This helps to prevent ingrown nails, which can be quite uncomfortable for your little one. Try to avoid cutting too close to the skin to prevent accidental nicks. Just remember, it's okay if you don't get it perfect the first time. Practice makes perfect after all. Next, let's talk about timing. The best time to trim your baby's nails is when they're calm. This might be during nap time or after a bath when they're relaxed. That way, they're less likely to wiggle around, making your job a little easier. And finally, patience is key. Baby nails are soft and delicate, so take your time. It's okay to trim just a little bit at a time, and if your baby becomes upset, you can always try again later. Remember, your comfort will help your baby feel comfortable too. Nail care doesn't have to be a daunting task. With patience and the right tools, it's quite simple. So give yourself a pat on the back for taking good care of your baby's nails. You're doing a great job. Dressing your baby in clean clothes is crucial for maintaining hygiene. It's not just about style or comfort, it's also about ensuring that your baby's sensitive skin is protected from potential irritants. So, what are some things we should keep in mind? First and foremost, always wash new baby clothes before dressing your little one in them. New clothes can carry irritants from the manufacturing process, which can potentially cause discomfort or even allergic reactions. So it's always a good idea to give them a thorough wash first. Next, pay attention to the fabrics you choose. Soft, breathable materials like cotton are ideal for baby clothes. These types of fabric allow air to circulate, reducing the risk of heat rash and other skin irritations. Avoid synthetic materials that can trap heat and exacerbate skin issues. Now, let's talk about laundry. It's best to wash your baby's clothes separately from the rest of the household's laundry. This prevents any potential cross-contamination and ensures that your baby's clothes are as clean as possible. When it comes to detergent, choose one that's gentle and hypoallergenic. Baby's skin is much more sensitive than ours, and harsh chemicals found in some detergents can cause rashes and other skin problems. So, opt for a baby-friendly detergent and avoid fabric softeners, which can also contain harsh chemicals. And remember, always check clothing for loose buttons, snaps, or other small parts that could pose a choking hazard. Safety is just as important as cleanliness. In conclusion, when it comes to your baby's clothing and laundry, it's all about being mindful. Mindful of what you're buying, how you're washing it, and how you're dressing your baby. By taking these simple steps, you're not only keeping your baby's clothes clean and comfortable, but you're also contributing significantly to their overall hygiene and well-being. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the essential elements of baby hygiene, from the bath time basics to the do's and don'ts of diapering. We've learned that using mild, fragrance-free products and maintaining a comfortable bath water temperature can make a world of difference. When it comes to diapering, frequent changes and using gentle rash creams are key. And who could forget about nail care? Baby-sized clippers and the right timing can turn a daunting task into a breeze. We also dove into the importance of clothing and laundry care, reminding ourselves to wash new clothes before use and to stick to hypoallergenic detergents. These tips and tricks are not just about keeping your little one clean. They're about ensuring their health and happiness. Remember, taking care of your baby's hygiene is not just about cleanliness. It's about creating a strong foundation for their overall